In this video, we're going to be talking about how to stop someone from stalking your Facebook page. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, simply block the user. Simply go ahead and head into the person's page. So for example, let's just say this person at the moment, click on the triple dot and then click on block just like that. And they won't be able to go ahead and stalk you. The second thing you can do is if you prefer not to unfriend, add them to your restricted list, and this allows them to remain friends but see only your public post. You can also navigate to the settings and privacy. So, for example, right over here, and then head into the privacy checkup section and then simply go ahead and check if there is any problem with your account. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.